So if a police officer signals, generally by their lights or other indications that they want you to stop, you should comply with that request and move forward in a safe fashion, pull over in a safe location. If you can't pull over immediately, then at least signal to the officer that you're aware that the officer is attempting to stop you. Indicate turn signal or put your flashers on, but ultimately pull over. When you always, whether you've done anything wrong or not, you have a right to remain silent. We all do. However, you do have to provide your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance here in Pennsylvania. You can do so without talking to an officer, but I would suggest to you that if you're polite and courteous, you might be more likely to get a warning than an actual citation. But in any event, you need to provide that documentation. If the police officer asks you to step from the vehicle, they have the lawful right to do so. Now, there are other times that officers will ask you to search your vehicle, to ask you to search a person, and you have a right to say no. You don't have to agree to a search. They don't always tell you that. And while you have a right to refuse, if they go ahead and do so, I would not interfere with that. I mean, if they're doing something that is not proper, that can be later determined in a court. The side of the highway is not the place to have an argument with the officer about what they can and cannot do.